What's up, everybody? This is Jordan, and today I'm going to show you my number one tip for creating content that ranks on Google, but also turns traffic into customers. This tip is for businesses that sell a product or a service. You do something for somebody to save them time, or you create a product that's useful or helpful, and they can just purchase the product to be able to solve whatever problem they have. This framework is guaranteed to turn traffic into sales. It's worked super well for me. It's worked really well for my SEO clients. And honestly, it's a hugely valuable tip. I'm going to get right into it. So, it's a two-step process. The content that you're going to produce is going to educate the reader on how to do something manually. Say you are creating some sort of SaaS app. Technically, there's a lot of different ways to do things, right? Like if you wanted to be a podcast hosting platform, you can host files on your own server and then you can have some software that generates a feed and then you can have it connected to the Apple App Store and you can have all of this stuff and it can be free and it can be very complicated. But then in that same content, you can pitch your product or service as a solution. You can be like, hey, look, you can do all of this work, but if you just sign up for this, then you're going to save a ton of time. You're going to save a lot of headaches. You're going to save a lot of energy and you're going to save money, right? Because over time, maybe your own solution would be even more costly. So there's tons of examples of how to use this framework to turn traffic into customers. I use it myself with Closet Tools. I teach people how to do things manually. And then I go through and say, hey, Closet Tools can do this for you automatically. It works really well. So here's why it works. Some people will come to the website and they read all of the steps that it takes to do something manually. And they're like, man, this is a lot of work, right? I don't really want to do all of this stuff. And so if you're there to give them the solution to do it automatically, or you have a product that solves their problem immediately, then you're going to have a huge chance of, turning that person into a customer. Another thing is some people just don't even know what's out there. If you are there to educate them about a solution to a problem that they have, they can look at that and be like, oh, wow, I didn't even know that, this type of thing existed, that I could just throw money at this problem and it would go away. And the third thing is you're helping educate them. You're providing value for them. You're teaching them how to do it manually. If they want to do it manually, you taught them how to do it. But if they want to go with your solution, then you are a trustworthy source. You are providing value to them. So they're going to trust you. They're going to be like, oh, these guys are great, right? I'm going to sign up for whatever they have to offer. So next, we're going to look at how to turn this traffic into customers. You don't always want to immediately sell to traffic. It's not like you get on your web page and you're like, buy now. That's not going to convert a lot of people to be customers because it takes time. People just saw your offer. Unless you have, magic copywriting, most people aren't going to buy, right? But if you offer them something for free, typically people will take advantage of that. You see a lot of e-commerce websites, they offer discounts and free shipping. Hey, just give us your email. That helps build your audience. So later on, you can ping them with emails, ping them with ads, and you can get in contact with the people that are interested in your products and services. And then you can sell to them. So my 3 ways to turn traffic into customers: get them on an email list, offer them something for free, give them a free PDF, give them a free trial, give them a discount on products. And that gets you building your audience. And then you can later sell to that audience. Another one is Facebook retargeting pixels. There's other social media platforms that have retargeting pixels, but basically you can tag that person that came to your website. And then later on with Facebook, you can run advertising and you can get in touch with that customer later. And they're going to be much more likely to buy because they're familiar with your brand. They were just on your website. So you're going to be able to turn them into a customer later on. So yeah, this is my rank to sell framework. This is how I built my businesses. This is how a lot of businesses are built. Thanks for watching. If this was really helpful for you, like and comment and retweet. I hope this really helped you, and I hope this helps you use content to not only rank on Google, but also make sales and generate revenue for your business.